The Prevention of Domestic Violence Act is a civil law in New Jersey that protects victims of domestic violence from an abuser. In order to gain protection under the Prevention of Domestic Violence Act, there is a two-step process. The first step is to report the abuse and get a temporary restraining order. The second step is to attend a final restraining order hearing, where a court will determine whether the temporary order will be dismissed or become final. This video discusses the process to obtain a temporary restraining order. If you experience domestic violence from a spouse, former spouse, romantic partner, or the parent of one of your children, you may be eligible for a temporary restraining order. If you and the abuser are over 18 and live or have lived together, or were roommates, you could also be eligible for a temporary restraining order. Domestic violence consists of 19 crimes: harassment, cyber harassment, assault, terroristic threats, criminal mischief, criminal restraint, false imprisonment, burglary, criminal sexual contact, sexual assault, kidnapping, stalking, lewdness, criminal trespass, homicide, robbery, criminal coercion, violation of a restraining order, or any other crime involving risk of death or serious bodily injury. If you are not sure whether something falls into one of these categories, you can get more information about them on our website, www.lsnjlaw.org, in an article called "The 19 Crimes of Domestic Violence."
If you need legal advice or representation, you can see if you are eligible for our services by calling 1-888-LSNJ-LAW or completing our online intake at www.lsnjlawhotline.org.